Good morning, students. How are you all? Fine. Good. I'm also good. And so today is the day 2 for revision. Okay. And yesterday we had completed chapter number 1, my family and I. Half portion we had completed, and now we are going to complete the half portion. Okay. So in this only we had completed maximum portion, and now we are having the meeting family members. Okay, we have the next topics are meeting new family members. So we have the meeting family members also. Okay, so हम कब अपनी family members से मिलते हैं इसके बारे में हमने इसमें पढ़ा था. We have learned about this only. When any marriage is there, any birthday is there, any festival is there, we all call our relatives and we celebrate very nicely now. So when we meet our relatives we feel very happy. Some relatives we like also. सबसे ज़्यादा कोई एक रिलेटिव को हम बहुत पसंद करते हैं ना, तो दैट ऑल्सो वी विल लर्न एंड वी विल रीड अबाउट इट. ओके, once again I'll read for you, once again I'll do for you. Please read it, please revise it. Okay, so next we will be having the role of family members. तो हमारी फैमिली में we have many people. Okay, like we have the parents, we have grandparents, we have siblings, we have relatives, we have the children also. So every member of the family is important and they have their own role. Okay, so like your mama, she takes care of elderly people, you people, your and your house also. Okay, then grandmother, she takes care of the children, she tells nice stories. Then grandfather, he takes you out for cycling or for walk. Okay, then as a child you should also have some responsibility. You too have the responsibility, so you should also help your mama in the kitchen. You should help your grandparents, you should help your parents and grandparents, your brother and sisters also. So we have learnt about this in this. Then caring for old people. Okay, some when your grandparent, you can see that how your parents efficiently work. आपके मम्मी पापा जितनी जल्दी जल्दी काम कर सकते उतनी जल्दी जल्दी आपके ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स तो काम नहीं कर सकते ना. दे नीड हेल्प. उनको चलने के लिए, कोई चीज़ फाइंड आउट करने के लिए दे नीड अ लॉट मेनी हेल्प. ओके, सो दैट हेल्प यू कैन प्रोवाइड बाई giving a glass of water, they remembering their medicine time, remembering their food time, remembering what they should eat, what they should not eat. Okay, and when they they want to go out, you can help them by in walking or finding out their walking stick. Okay, so like this you can also help, and you should always help, and you should be caring for them because they need you. Okay, as you need your parents, they need your parents, and they need to talk, they need to share the stories, they need to go out. Okay, so you have to help, you should be helping, you should be very caring for your grandparents or elderly people. Okay, then we have the family customs. Okay, every family have some customs, like some people, they take bath in the morning, then they do the puja of eating together. Like this you have mentioned, and you know all these things. Okay, so let us start reading and doing. Let's try all the let's try, and what with other my turns also I'll be explaining you. So students, till yesterday we had completed the completed relatives and new members of a family. Revision of this portion. Okay, today we will be doing meeting family members. Okay, so when we meet our family members, when some function is there, some big festival is there, or any anniversary is there, birthday is there, on a special day, generally we come to meet each others. Okay, to celebrate our festivals, to celebrate celebrate some birthday party. Okay, so I hope you could read till now. You know how to read. Okay, so read and find it out, and then if anything important is there, here, you just underline and do it. Okay, then we had the let's try phone. Answer the following question in your notebook. Okay, name any 4 members of your extended family and write down what you like the most about them. Okay, so extended family में who comes? Uncle, aunt, your चाचा चाची, मामा मामी, बुआ, मौसा मौसी. Okay, so आप any 4 members को you will be writing, and then you what you will do, you will tell a special thing you like about them. Okay, आप कुछ like कर सकते हैं, जैसे कि वो बहुत अच्छे, he is very smart, your uncle is smart, your aunt is a good cook, she makes nice cake for you. Like this you can you should write down. Okay, ये सब तो आप कर चुके हो, जस्ट यू हैव टू रिवाइज इट. ओके, डू रिविजन वेरी प्रॉपरली. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज राइट अबाउट एनी वन ओकेजन वेयर ऑल योर रिलेटिव्स गॉट टुगेदर एंड हैड फन. ओके, आपको एक ऐसा रिलेशन लिखना, एक ऐसा टाइम लिखना है जब सारे के सारे फैमिली मेंबर्स एक साथ आए थे और देन दे हैड, यू ऑल हैड अ रियली नाइस टाइम, बहुत ही फन किया था आपने. ठीक है, तो आपको वो एक टाइम के बारे में एक्सप्लेन करना है, एंड यू हैव टू राइट. नाउ ऑन टिल नाउ आई होप यू ऑल हैव लर्न हाउ टू राइट एंड रीड, सो प्लीज डू इट. ओके, देन रोल्स ऑफ फैमिली मेंबर. ओके, नाउ फैमिली में बहुत सारे लोग हैं, मेनी पीपल आर देयर इन द फैमिली, ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स, पेरेंट्स, योर सिबलिंग्स, कजन्स, योर एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली मेंबर, एवरी वन इज हैविंग अ रोल टू प्ले. Okay, everyone is important and everyone's work is important. Okay, so in this paragraphs we have explained about this only, like here you can see that mama is working, here grandmother is telling a story to the children, and see here children, they can also help in the household work, and like a girl is helping to her mother. Okay, so like this you have to find out what is the role of which member of your family, and you can make a chart of it, or you can make a table of it. Okay, then we had the let's try 5. In let's try 5 we had the take the things that you do to help your family. अगर आप करते हो then only you will read this, and if you are doing you will take this. Okay, and you will tell them. Then write down what each of your family member do to help each other. अब आपको अपने ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स के बारे में बोलना है. You have to tell about your grandparents, your mother, what your mother does to help each member of your family. Then father, then elder sibling, आपके बड़े भाई और बहन आपके घर में कैसे मदद करते हैं, what the role they are playing. Okay, देन केयरिंग फॉर ओल्ड पीपल. अब आपके घर में जो ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स हैं, आर दे रियली लाइक योर पेरेंट्स? आपके मम्मी पापा जैसे फुर्ती से काम कर लेते हैं, दे डू वर्क वेरी फास्ट ईजली, लाइक दैट ओनली योर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स कैन डू? नो, they can't do. So they need help. So we need to take care of our old age people. old age के जो grandparents हैं उनकी हमको मदद करनी होती है. Okay, so you will be learning in this about that only. Then we have the let's try 6. In let's try 6 you have some activities are mentioned in the following sentences. Read the sentences and write good or bad habits or behavior. Aman hides his grandparents' spectacles for fun. Is it a good thing? No. So we will write here it's a bad thing. Okay. Sita goes for a walk with her grandmother. So it's a good thing. We will write over here good thing. Okay. Now turn your page and come here. We have like this only, and find out. Now you have to find out whether it is a good thing or a bad thing. Okay, so I told you while teaching this lesson, I told you to find out a place or a visit to a old age home. Okay, and you can take some clothes, some food for them, and then you spend some time, you talk to them, to the old people. Okay, that will be a great help to them. Okay, now family culture. We had the next topic, family culture, and in that we have learned ki what are the customs are there of a family. Sorry, this is family customs. Okay, so इसमें है offering prayer after a bath, then पेइंग रिस्पेक्ट टू द एल्डर बाय टचिंग द फीट, ये सारे जो है कस्टम्स हैं. आपके घर में क्या कस्टम है, यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट दैट एंड यू हैव टू टेल दैट. ओके, now let's try 7 was there. Write down some customs followed by your family. कुछ आपके फैमिली में कस्टम्स मैक्सिमम ऑफ यू हैव रिटन एंड सेंड टू मी एंड आई कैन सी दैट एंड यू हैव रिटन इन योर PT1 ऑल्सो. सो हियर यू राइट द कस्टम्स. इफ़ यू हैव नॉट रिटन, आपको पता ही होगा कि आपके घर में क्या कस्टम है. आपके घर में सब लोग एक टाइम का खाना एक साथ खाते हैं और लाइक दिस ओनली. ओके, and then you read this. Let's remember you have this will be the recap of your chapter. Okay, and then let's learn new words. New words में sibling, relatives, paternal grandparents, maternal grandparent is there. Okay, and then you have the we care. Okay, in we care you are asked to know about a orphanage, जहाँ पे जिन बच्चों की फैमिली नहीं होती है, मम्मी पापा नहीं होते हैं, उनके पास जाने के लिए. ठीक है, देन वी विल कम टू आवर practice book. In practice book you have made the family tree over here also. Okay, then I hope you all know what is your name. So you have written this, your mother's name, your father's name. I have dashed sisters and brothers. Then you have their name, आप उनके नाम लिखोगे. Then write down the name of 1 or 2 फूड आइटम्स दैट योर फैमिली एंजॉयज ईटिंग. तो आप यहाँ पे फूड आइटम्स जो हैं वो लिखेंगे. ओके, देन हियर सम ऑप्शंस आर गिवन कि आप अपनी फैमिली के साथ क्या एंजॉय करते हो, तो आप उसमें टिक करोगे. ठीक है, देन नेक्स्ट पेज we had the family tree that you made and you know how to make it. Then you have to find out the similarities between you and your mother, your father, your grandfather and grandmother. Okay, तो आपको अपनी similarities मिलानी थी, किससे आप ज़्यादा मिलते हो. ठीक है, and then you made a card for your relative whom you like the most. जैसे कोई अपने मामा जी को बहुत पसंद करता है तो उनके लिए कार्ड बनाया. ठीक है, एंड देन टेक टू योर टॉक टू योर पेरेंट ग्रैंड पेरेंट अबाउट द स्पेशल थिंग दे डिड विथ देयर फैमिलीज व्हेन दे वेयर चिल्ड्रन. आप अपने मम्मी पापा से पूछोगे कि जब वो छोटे थे तो क्या चीज़ को बहुत इंजॉय करते थे अपनी फैमिली के साथ में. ठीक है, then my turn 5 में you had this. Talk to your grandparents and ask them about their daily habits and chores. Make a care table for them and write down the time for their daily chores, such as getting up, going for a morning walk and having lunch and dinner. So basically you have to find out कि वो कब खाना खाते हैं, कब उनका medicine time होता है. Like this you have to fill this one. Okay, and then self check box whatever you understood. Okay, so revise this and questions, other questions and keywords given by me, that also please do it. Okay, so we have read this. I hope you understood. If you have any problem, please ask me. Okay, don't let it go. And आपको बहुत मेहनत से पढ़ना है, बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ना है. Do hard work, revise it because your exams are there. Revision is very important for you. Okay, so in this in the last one we have revised the meeting new members, then caring for old elderly people and customs of our family. So with this I hope you understood, but if you have any problem please do call me, you can ask me. Okay, so it's especially for the parents, please make your child learn, read and revise. Okay, it's a request to the parents, please help your child, and if you are not able to, please ask me to help. Okay, and after revision we will have the half yearly examinations in the Google form, so practice for Google form also. Okay, so with this I am going to complete this. I have completed revision of the chapter 1, and now I am going to end this class. Have a nice day. Stay healthy, stay safe and stay happy. Goodbye.